Many interfaces have used dark colour palettes in the past, especially in low light work environments or if you have to stare at a screen for a long time, like code editors or design tools. Dark modes are increasingly supported across devices and often include the option for your interface to default to the user's preference. Your default colour mode is up to you, but including an alternative colour mode is becoming frequently popular for accessibility. Among other reasons, some users find dark mode hard to read, and others find light mode causes them eye strain. Your dark mode could be as simple as inverting the colours in your UI, but this can result in inconsistent branding and, quite frankly, look at this, ugly colours. An approach I learned from Jen Simmons many years ago was to treat dark mode as evening lighting. The lights are dimmed but not off, darker but not black. One trick I use for dark mode colour palettes is overlaying a deeply saturated dark colour on top of my light mode colour palette, usually one of the darker colours in my existing colour palette. So I'll set its blend mode to multiply and cover up my swatches, and then I adjust the opacity of the colour until the underlying colours are visible and distinct from each other, and then I use these colours as my starting point. The key is then maintaining sufficient contrast between the foreground text and the background colours. Don't forget to test your palette to make sure it's readable. Join us at penpot.app/courses.